In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reserve a WhatsApp username. Okay. First of all, you're going to make sure that you go to the Google Play Store. Okay. And please make sure you're running the most up-to-date version of WhatsApp. Okay. Yep. Okay. If it's not updated, please update it. Okay. Then open the app. Now, the WhatsApp username feature is basically going to allow users to chat without actually exchanging numbers. So basically, probably you meet someone new and you want to chat with them without actually exchanging phone number. Isn't that cool? So let's get started. So what you do, tap the three dots right here, then tap the settings option, then tap right here. You're actually going to see the option of reserve username right here. You see this? Tap right there. So this comes up. Usernames are coming soon. Reserve yours. So if you have an Instagram account, you can actually sync that, so that you can use the Instagram or Facebook username, or you can actually decide to create a username. Tap right there, create, and then you decide to create it from right here. So I'm going to be using Dalba, new Dalba. Speaking of Dalba, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you're picking value in this video. So I'm going to go with Dalba Teachers right there. Okay. You see this? So you can see this username is not available currently. But if you have such a username with your Instagram, so you can actually log into your Instagram and or you can actually decide to select the suggest username. Okay, let me try it and see. Suggest username. So you can see it's already suggesting for me that. Okay. So if you actually type in the username and they show it's available, you can decide to save. Okay. So I'm going to go with one. Okay. You see the username is available. Once it's available, it can allow you to save it. Okay. So tap the save option right there. Okay. Yep. You reserve the Alba Teachers, and that's it. Okay. Isn't that pretty cool? Yeah. So you tap on done. So that's how you reserve a WhatsApp username.